Virginia's governor declares a state of emergency before a snowstorm hits the East Coast. Governor Terry McAuliffe declared the emergency on January 21st. The National Weather Service expects a huge snowstorm to hit the Washington, D.C. area by January 22nd. McAuliffe said, quote, residents should take the threat of this storm seriously. Weather forecasters say they can't determine specific totals, but the heaviest snowfall expected is 1 to 2 feet for towns west of Washington, D.C.
It's a snow day. What are you going to do today?
Make a snowman.
What do you use on the snowman? What do we buy for the snowman?
A carrot.
And?
Raisins.
Hey girls.
Hi.
After homeschool we get to go play in the snow. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Look who volunteered to do the driveway. Hi honey.
I'm the hard worker in the family.
Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. You want to eat any? No. Look at mommy. Deep? Tell mommy. Look at her.
I love the snow.
You do?
Huh? I love the snow. Wait.
We're going so fast. Woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah!
Right into a tree. Good job, Mom.
Oh, my butt is cold. Oh, crap. Ah! I don't want to slam all of us into the tree. I'll just take my kid first. Woo! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. We went off the path!
Legs up. Alright, you can go down with me next. Ready?
Watch out, Liam. Woohoo! Ha, he didn't stay on the path either.
Say it one more time.
It's so fun outside and we didn't make the snowman, but we made a snow angel.
Well,
One
yeah.
snow angel.
We made a snow angel, but we'll make a snowman tomorrow when it's more frozen, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we got it. Oh,
We'll make a lot.
And what are we having now, girls?
Hot chocolate and pumpkin bread.
hot chocolate and pumpkin bread.
Woohoo!
Who else? What you doing?
I'm watching magic on a snowy day. Oh, and I'm having hot chocolate.
Very cute.
So Lana doesn't technically have a nap time, but she does have a quiet time. Hi, Lana. Hi. So Lana is in quiet time. Natalie's using her time productively.
Yep. Reading and snacking.
Alright, what's Daddy win the game? Daddy gets to go first?
Why?
It's
You're
my
the
turn.
oldest. Blue one.
Daddy goes first.
Hey.
Alright, Lana, you go ahead.
But I'm pick blue.
Well, I'm trying one for blue. Oh, do that. You got blue. Go ahead.
Pick a blue one.
Blue.
Good luck.
No. This. Too hard.
Okay, well, you can sit with me after you eat your dinner. So we'll eat your dinner. You liked it the other night, even though you complained about it.
Alright, push play.
So go.
Push play and push pause.
Go eat it.
You can push pause in the menu.
No?
Alright, Lana, let's say blessing. Ready? Say it loud. Ready? Say blessing. Go.
Amen.
Amen.
Most days she yells it.
Thank you for dinner, Mommy. It looks delicious.
I can't
Thanks
wait
for-
to do.
Heating it back up, what?
Well,
But I can't wait it.
beans are still cold.
But I can't wait it.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
I got to stick my back in.
I put it in for a minute.
Half hour. However long it was, thinking about how much freaking snow's out there needing to be shoveled.
Snow day continued. Look at me.
Snow days. Stupid winter.
Honey, you're so sweet to do the yard for me.
Oh, well. This way you don't make me get on the treadmill later.
Alright, let's now block the door.
Of course there is.
I'd say that's a foot of snow at least. Lana, eat that pumpkin bread, girl. How you doing, Pumpkin? Tired? You're almost done.
There's no sense of accomplishment. I've already shoveled all that. It's covered.
Well, just think.
Your turn is next.
Just think. You can finish that. I'll make you breakfast. And in a couple hours, I'll let you shovel again.
Oh no, next time is your turn.
Oh, it must be another one. Alright, come on. Come here. Get you nice and warm. Probably cute.
Not much.
Alright,
I can't see outside.
there you go.
I can't see.
Well, if you wear it down like this, your eyeballs won't freeze.
No, I don't want my eyeballs to be.
Alright, there you go. Alright, let mommy get dressed now.
What's up, buddy? Is it yummy?
Is he eating the snow instead of the food?
No, he's eating. Lucy's peeing. Casey don't know what to do. Hey, we'll only be out here a couple minutes, guys, okay? We'll go right back in, I promise.
Casey, eat. Oh, never mind.
Casey's busy.
Good girl.
But do this, Tommy.
No
Tom Sonny.
No Tom Sonny. Ready?
Do this first one, please. Give me, okay?
Come on. Lucy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't have gloves on to help her. You're going to have to help her.
No, this way.
Get right behind Daddy. It'll be easier. Lucy! Shh.
Get him on track. Hold me. Right here. Hold me.
Snow is way too deep. Good. Googa mooga. Oh gosh.
Yeah, stay right there. This will probably be the only spot the ducks come out in. I'm trying trying to get to you, kids. It's deep, but it's light. I have a shovel inside, too. You got him. What do you think, Tom Sony?
No.
What do you think? Do you think he likes the snow? You gonna dig? You gonna dig a little? Is he gonna sink down or is he gonna walk on top?
I don't know. Sunk down a little. Can you move, buddy?
He might be swimming underneath.
Can you move?
I got him, I got him. Can you do anything, buddy? Hold on. Don't.
Oh, honey, I feel bad for him.
Is that,
He can't move.
Are you making angel wings?
I don't think the ducks want to come out. It's too cold.
They're hunkering down, they're scared.
Yeah, it's cold. Watch out.
Come on, girls. Go get mommy.
They all
Come
warm.
on. Go get mommy.
Hi, girls.
Come on. Go get mommy.
Hi, girls.
They said, no, let's get on this side.
Yeah. Don't make us go out in that snow. All right. Cute. Guys, take your picture. Just wait a minute.
Alright, I just got a little bush here I gotta watch out for. The sticker bushes in the front yard. If I break my neck.
That didn't work so well. You landed in fluff.
I didn't go very far.
No.
Big mountain.
What do you think, Lala?
She's like a turtle.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Did you get all wet?
No way you're doing that again.
Yeah, hold on. I'm not even up here yet. I don't even know how to get on this thing. Mother,
You're going the wrong way.
I know. You helped her on the sled. You're just laughing at me. Tell you what, I took one sled down. I'm going in.
Knees. There you go. And then turn around, flop your butt.
Turn around and pop.
Oh, there you went.
That didn't work. I didn't want to go.
Hey, was that fun?
I'm done. It can melt now.
All right, kids, roll over.
Picture.
All right, can you sit right here? Hold on to this part. Look at mommy. 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo!
Get the brake on. Look at her. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming.
Good job, Lala.
Hey, Lana.
What?
You just hang out right there until mommy goes, okay? All right, girls, breakfast is over. What are we gonna do next?
Do you want to play in the snow?
I'm playing in the snow.
What are you gonna do?
Make a snowman.
Well, look at me.
Hey, baby.
I think today we can do it. I think we can actually do it today.
Mhm.
We're gonna. Do you wanna?
Do you want to build a snowman? Let's go get ready then.
Hey, use the arms in the hair.
I know, we gotta find arms in the hair. You gotta make his head bigger.
How we doing, girls?
Carrot messed it up. It's our version of Olaf.
Do you love it, Lana?
The carrot's too big to put on the snowman.
It's okay.
Like this.
There, what do you think? Eye? Another eye. What do you think?
Come on, guys. Woo! Watch out for the shed.
We found the shed.
I didn't know on my face again.
Was that fun, Lala?
Yay!
It was fun. You want to do it again? Daddy's stuck. Look at Daddy.
I'm like the turtle.
Oh!
That is not cool. No, no.
Yeah!
All right, Dad, go on. Woo! That was not cool, Lana. You got me.
Did you have fun, Daddy?
Yeah, it was great till the end. Hey!
Making a snow angel, Sweet Pea? Uh-huh. Whoops. Very cute. You want to hop up? See what it looks like? Okay. Let's see. Oh, your cold red hand. Woo! Pretty.
Hold on. Side purposes at all times. Are you ready? Go, Lana! Woo! You're good,
You knocked me over, girl. Hey, look at me.
What?
Okay, is that fun?
Uh-huh.
Watch mommy. Go ahead, mommy. Just don't hit us.
Oh dear. Maybe you should get up.
I've kind of made a butt print in the snow here. All right, watch mommy. Now, how easy is it to get up?
I don't play with turtle.
So the snowstorm is over. We got out to Walmart, got junk food, hence the chips and the cookies over there. Huh. Wes is exhausted. He's under that blanket, if you can even tell. There's a hand. He's exhausted from sledding and shoveling. If we walk down the hallway, Lana is in quiet time. She no longer naps. But she has to have quiet time, and she's playing games on the iPad.
Down. Come on. Hey! I see you. Behead.
Oh dear. She might be taking it a little too seriously. But anyway. I don't know what you want me to say. We survived this blizzard of 2016, and Lana had a lot of fun sledding down the hill and building our pathetic excuse of an Olaf snowman and throwing snowballs at both me and Wes.
Natalie did more shoveling than I did, but I tried to be a man and shovel the big piles, and my back is killing me. Plus, carrying Lana up the hill for the sleigh rides. My back is out. My back is done. Lana wants to be a part of this.
Yes, Lana's in quiet time right now and she doesn't like it, but it's okay. She'll survive.
But we had a fun weekend. We played games together. We ate a bunch of junk food.
And our power stayed on. Yay!
That was the thing. It was that lingering over our heads. Everybody kept saying the power's going to go out, power's going to go out. Never went out, but it was kind of like, taxman's coming, taxman's coming. It was, we were kind of getting scared by that.
Taxman's coming?
I don't know.
Where is that from?
I don't know. It's like somebody's going to knock at your door and make you cold and miserable and homeless, and never happened.
I've never heard that before.
I just made it up, maybe. I don't know.
Anyway, we had a little fun. Now it can melt and all go away and be spring again.
There you go. We got to get the kid.